Check it out, guys. Check it out. I'm going to show you guys how to liquidate products that were damaged by the customer. So we're going to go up here, manage all inventory, and then we're going to go to remove unfulfillable inventory right there. And then we're going to see I have 2 products that were damaged by the customer. So I'm just going to select all, create removal order. I could have it sent back either to my P.O. box address, or I can liquidate them, which I usually do. So I'll hit liquidate. I'll choose the number of items and hit review. And that's it. You know, all done. Too easy.